Okay, first we do this. 5 minus 5 gives us 0, and 5 minus 5 gives us 0, and 0 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. But this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, after that exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition and subtraction. And multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work this. 5 multiplied by 5 gives us 25, and we have to copy the rest part, 5 minus and minus 5. And here, according to this rule, addition and subtraction have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And 5 minus 25 gives us negative 20 and minus 5. Here, negative 20 minus 5 gives us negative 25. And this is our final and correct answer. We can write it here. And negative 25. That's all. Thank you.